Are you wondering what is this rattling sound inside of your Samsung Galaxy S26 or the Ultra version as well? So, for example, if you actually try to shake your phone, you might actually hear there is some kind of noise, basically, like a rattling sound or also like a clicking sound, both on the regular S26 and also on the Ultra. For example, if I put it near my microphone, you'll hear. So here, like click, 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 basically as I'm shaking it. So what this sound is, it's simply your stabilization system of the cameras. So basically to be able to stabilize the video and pictures, also basically the sensor inside is actually sprung into springs. So it's like free moving basically to provide the excellent stabilization that these phones have. And this is completely normal, there's nothing wrong with this phone. So again, for the regular S26, it's actually less, but when I shake it also I hear a tiny bit of sound, but not as bad as on the Ultra. So again, the Ultra has got way more advanced stabilization and also the sensor is way larger, so that's why it even rattles more. So listen on the regular one. I'm not sure if you can even hear it in the microphone, it's not that. So, and how to test if actually that is the camera sound and not something else. So what you do is you simply open the camera, and once you open the camera, the stabilization should engage and the rattling sound should almost like disappear. If you maybe listen very carefully, especially on the Ultra, maybe there's still a tiny bit of rattling sound. So listen. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can even hear it anymore. So again, the sound disappears like almost completely. So this is easy way to test. So simply open your camera in the video mode and also make sure you have your stabilization enabled and simply shake it then and see how it sounds. And again, same for the regular S26 as well. So basically, yeah, in the video mode, make sure you have the stabilization on and simply shake it and listen. So I think on the, on the regular S26, it almost like disappears completely. So again, the sensor is obviously way smaller, so it doesn't shake inside as much. So yeah, if you're wondering, if this is okay, yep, this is completely normal. There's nothing to worry and everything is okay with your phone. Okay, good luck.